Hello guys, in this video I will try to speak about something that beginners they don't like. I think you know what I'm talking about. No, you don't. You think I will be talking about stop loss? No. In this video I'm not talking about stop loss. I'm talking about another subject that is very important for beginners and for professional traders also. It is the trading journal. A trading journal is the notebook or a software or a paper or anything that you put your trades and follow them. Okay? So, what is this use of this notebook? This trading journal? Trading journal lets you understand in a glance. It means when just you see the trading journal, you understand where you are. Are you making money? Are you losing money? And what's the thing that it is making you lose money, or what is the thing it makes you make the money? When you look at the trades that you have done, for example, the date you buy a stock, what is the price, what is the stop loss, what is the day you exit the trade, and what is the price. And then there is another thing which is called the balance. It means the balance, it means how much money you have at the beginning, and after doing these trades, each time you do a trade you should add or subtract from the balance. And this gives you a general idea about what you are doing. And then there is another part with notes. You write the notes. If the trade is normal, you carry out the trade as you planned. You just put some notes in order to understand if there is something wrong, or there is something new, or something that you don't understand. And this is why the trading journal is very important. I understand most of the beginners, when you ask them to do something like this, although it is so easy, it doesn't take time, but they think it's like to have a new routine, and they don't want to do this routine. Okay? Although trading journal is one of the principles of discipline in your trading. It means you should know where you are going from where you were before, how you are now, and how you will be in the future. What is the thing that you can change in order to ameliorate your performance? Okay? If last year, for example, you get 10%, you try to see those trades. Is there a possibility that you can make more if you do another thing that you have done before? This is why a trading journal is so important. Okay, you don't need, like I see I have gone to some videos and some online stuff. They give you something that it is so boring. It's an Excel sheet with thousands of information that you should put, and you don't need that. Okay? You just make your more confused than before, and you will take time filling all this stuff. Now for me and for my trading journal, it is so simple. Now you at first try to write the date. The date as you write it. The date is very important because you will know when you bought this stock. And if you tell me, for example, I should go to my broker, and no, your broker, if you go to your broker, you will see a lot of stuff that you don't need, and you just waste your time. Try to do it yourself. Put the date. Now, what is the stock that you bought? It means you put just the ticker. It means the symbol. Facebook, it is only FB. You don't write Facebook. You don't need it, because when we trade swing trading, we don't need the name of the company. We don't need them because we are doing trading only. We are not investing in this company to know the name, to know what is it, what it does, and the other stuff, the financials, the balance sheet and the other stuff. We are not doing that. We are just using technical analysis based on the price, and then we trade. Now, if you put the symbol, how many shares you have bought? It's very important to know how many shares you bought. 100, 200, 500, 1,000, 10,000, depending on what you bought. Now, after that, you should put stop loss. It means, what is your risk? If you don't put this information, do you know your risk, even if you don't put the stop loss as physical in the broker as you put it? Let's say you have it in mind. Just you put the stop loss where you want to exit if the stock goes down. Now, and then you put the date when you exit the trade, you finish the trade. What is the price? Then when you finish all that, you put the balance of your account. If you, for example, your balance was $10,000 before you do the trade, and then you make let's say a profit of 1,000. So you put 11,000. So your account is growing up, and which is a very good thing. Now the last thing you put is notes. Notes is just you tell your observation. If you observe something unusual or something normal or whatever, you just put these notes. For example, you say normal trade because you buy a stock, you put stop loss, you exit on the profit. That's a good thing. Okay, and if you lose, if you do another trade and you lose, you put all the information. This information is very simple when you do the trade. When you just let's say today it's 3:30 and you want to buy a trade, to buy a stock. You just buy it, put stop loss, and then you go to your trading journal. You put the date, you put the stock symbol, and you put how many shares you bought, the price, and then that's it. You wait a few days or a few weeks, and then you sell this stock. You go to your trading journal, okay, and you see that stock, and you go there, and you do what? And you put the date you sold and the price, and then you put the balance. Are you making money? Yes or no? And you put some notes. It is so simple when you do it right away. Or you can do it at night. Okay, at night. You don't need to do it right away, but for me, you do it right away. Why? Because it doesn't take one minute or two. You have the information. You just fill one line of information. It doesn't take you 50 seconds or 1 minute. That's what it needs. In one day, you just work 1 minute. You put this information, okay, and then you follow your stock. You put notes, and by this trading journal, you will make yourself disciplined. It means you should do these things. It's a business. It's the activities of the business that you do always. You should know what you are doing and how your account will be. It's not like some people send me an email. Oh, I have before $45,000. Right now I have $5,000. What should I do? Okay, why you have $45,000? You trade and you don't see anything each day or each week until you have $5,000, and then okay, you wake up and you have only 5,000. Okay, and you ask me, please, how can I double my money each week or each day? Or okay, what you are telling me is that you are careless, you are not disciplined, you play with your money, you gamble all 1 year or 2 or 3, you lose all your money, and then you come to me to fix your problems. Okay? So why not to take this business in your hands and try to fix your problems right now? Don't let the trades just go by this, because you are doing the same mistakes. If you are doing the same thing, you will have the same mistakes. That's why you are losing money in a lot of trades. Okay? How can you get money if you are doing the same thing for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years? You don't want to change your thing that you are doing. Even if you believe you are right, you are wrong, because what makes you believe you are right is when you see the money. If you are telling me, Kareem, I trade each year and each year and each year, or every year, or one by year, and my account is growing up so good, 10% or 20% or 40% or whatever is percent, it means you are making money. You are in the right way. Okay? You are doing so good. But you have $40,000 last year. Today you have 5,000, and you come at the end and you begin to cry and whine, and you say, the market has taken my money, the traders have stolen my money, there is a scam, there is people, my broker is not good, he is against me. You know, you begin to talk like this. You know, it is just to revenge or to avenge yourself against the market. The market is neutral. Okay, the market is always going up, going down. It doesn't look at you, it doesn't know you, and it has nothing to do with you. It's you who bought at that time. It's you who has lost your money. It's you who has done everything in the market. Okay? It's you. So it's not a responsibility of the broker or of the market to make this information for you. You should do it by yourself. It's your own business. That's why you are free. Who tells you to buy that stock at the end of the trend? Who tells you? It is you. So your bad choices, and you continue to do bad choices all year long, and then when you lose all your money, you want a solution for the past. Okay? The solution is, it will be for the future, not for the past. The past is over. You lost your money, you lost 30,000, 10,000, or 20,000, 100,000, or $1 million, whatever you lost is lost. So you should think about the future to change. When you change and you become disciplined, you begin to see good results, believe me. Without this, you will stay where you are. Okay? So it's high time to do a training journal. I will make another video showing you in an Excel paper, on Excel page, what to do. It's just very simple. It's like if you are in the first grade, just people who begin to feel things, or second grade or third grade, you can make it. Okay, don't tell me it's a big thing or it's difficult, or it's just normal thing that since you have done them in real, you just put the information and you follow your trades. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share it, and ask questions always, or send me a private message when you have something very important to tell me. Thank you very much, and have a nice night.